If you want your presentation to look professional, modern, and actually keep people engaged, Prezi is one of the best tools you can use. In this tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to create a professional presentation in Prezi, from choosing the right template to designing slides that actually stand out. To get started, you're going to go onto Prezi.com. I've included links in the pinned comment and description that you can use to sign up for completely free, and it will help to support the channel, so thank you in advance. From there, you're going to be redirected to a page just like this, and you're going to tap on Get Started in the top right hand corner. After selecting Get Started, you'll be redirected to the sign up page, and you can choose to sign up with your Google account, Facebook account, or Apple account. You're provided with numerous options. Once you're signed up, you will be redirected to this page, and from here, don't worry. You can either choose the free plan, which does not require a credit card, so you can test it out, or if you would like to go onto their paid plan, you're provided with three different options. You have the $15 per month option, which will give you unlimited Prezi AI access. You also have the premium option and the themes option. So a good option would be the plus option right here. As you can see, it is the most popular. Not only is it affordable, but it is also giving you watermark free presentation, video presentation, and numerous features as you can see right there. But for this example, we're going to be selecting the free option. After you have done that, you'll be redirected to a page just like this. And when is your presentation due? For example, we'll just select just checking out. Then you can invite your teammates. We're going to be skipping that. After you have done that, you'll be redirected to this dashboard. Once on this dashboard, you have a few options. You can either choose to create your presentation with AI by typing in the type of presentation that you like to create, and you could tap on Create with AI, or you can choose to upload a doc or PDF from here, and you can customize it using AI. So there are different options that you're provided with. For this example, we're just going to go over to the left-hand menu option, and I'm going to be selecting Create New. After you have tapped on Create New, I'm going to tap on Create From Template. Once you have done that, you'll be redirected to this page, and you can choose from the numerous templates as you can see right here. And this is one of the standout features when it comes onto Prezi, as they provide you with numerous templates that you can quickly customize. I'm going to be using this one. So I'll select it. Then we're going to tap on Use this template. After you have selected Use this template, you are provided with two options. You can either select public or private. Since I'm on the free plan, I'm going to be selecting public. And we're going to tap on Continue. After selecting Continue, you'll be redirected to this page. And this is where you'll be able to customize your presentation. So the first thing is, if you like to change the background, you can do that. You could simply tap on Upload Image, and you could upload an image right here that you could use to change the background. Or if you would like to change the fill color, you can tap there and you can choose to change the fill color. So you have different options as you can see right there that you can select from. And now to change the name or any text, you can tap on the section and you can change the text. You could also scroll down from the right hand column and you could see different images that you could use as the background if you want. So you're provided with numerous options. And to go over to the left hand menu option, you can select intro, and from there you could edit the intro. For example, we could change the image that is there. You can tap on the image and you can choose to either upload an image or you can select from one of their recommended images. You can also edit the text by selecting the text, and from there you can edit the text also. So you're provided with numerous options. If it is a case that you'd like to add more text, you can do that by selecting text block. You can also ask AI to assist you if you want. And you can go through and you can edit each section. And when it comes onto Prezi, it has this incredible zoom feature that enhances it and it helps to keep people more engaged. So you can go over to the left hand menu option and you could edit each block as you can see right here. If it is a case that you would like to add more blocks, you can do that. You can tap on add frame and you could add another frame if you want. Once you're finished, we could tap on present in the top right hand corner. and you can start your presentation. If it is a case that you would like to record as a video, you can do that. If you'd like to also use presenter view and you can also add notes, you could do that. So let's say we were to tap on start presentation and we're going to tap on present, and you can see it right there, and you'll simply go through all of the different slides so you can see how it looks right there. And this is a QR code that you can also scan. So as I said earlier, it does keep persons engaged and it looks very professional. And if you like to share it, you can tap on share. You can either choose to download it as a PDF, or you can choose to get the link and you can share a link. If we were to go back, you can tap on present once more. And if you like to record as a video, you could select record as a video. Once you have done that, you can choose to either narrate your presentation or appear alongside your content. So you're provided with two different options. Then from there, you can tap on continue and you could explore that option. If it is a case that you would like to also use their presenter view, you could select presenter view. And from here, you could add in your notes on the right hand column. So you have different options that you can explore when it comes onto Prezi. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. And thank you for watching.